What's up, everyone? First off, let me introduce myself. My name is Creg, the Rock, the People Streamer, the Great One, the most electrifying man in all of streaming entertainment. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your Twitch panels. Okay, it's quick, it's simple. Follow my lead. Also, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. All right, let's get straight into it. Now, first off, let me switch screens. Okay, the very first thing you need to do is go to nerdordie.com. I will put the link in the description below, but again, nerdordie.com. This website is super helpful. Like, I'm talking about Twitch overlays, YouTube overlays, Stream Deck, free. It has so many free things, and if you want the great prestige packages, you can buy that as well. No, this stream is not sponsored by Nerd or Die. I just really like this platform. So once you go to nerdordie.com, you're gonna go straight down here, right where it says Twitch panels, right? Now, once you click this, guys, understand this. You have two options. You can customize your own panels, or you can just use any of the panels that they have to offer for free, right? Now, let's just say you want to go for the pre-made ones, right? So you have three options. You can go with this one, or this one. You can click any of them. Personally, I kind of like the dark and yellow theme, so you can click this right here. Okay, so it's also going to give you a preview of what it looks like. So you can click this and go through it. It shows you the tip, Instagram, hardware, a little bit of everything, right? And if you want the darker feature, it's going to show you as well. So once again, you have the complete option. Now, the way how you're going to get it on your PC, you're going to go to where it says add to cart. All right. Now, once you already have it in your cart, you're gonna go over here to the top right section, right? And then you're gonna click your cart. Now, here's the super cool thing about this, guys. It's free. It's literally free. You don't do anything at all, right? Now, I have two in it. I have the purple one and I have the dark one. It's completely up to you. You don't have to have both, right? I'm gonna just delete one of them for this video purposes, right? Now, let me close this. It's asking me to apply coupons. Don't need to because it's free. So we're gonna click to proceed to checkout, right? You're gonna put in your name, your email address, and whatever your stream name is. Literally, I've done this before. It doesn't ask for any credit card. Okay, if I'm wrong, but I'm 99% sure it doesn't ask for any credit card information, right? And then once you do, you're gonna click place order, and then it's gonna be downloaded into your computer. And once it's downloaded into your computer, whatever folder that you set it into your computer, you just open it up. Okay, you can copy and paste it right into your Twitch. Okay, but I'm gonna get into that a little bit later. So let's just like go full into it. So let's just say my name is actually Creg. Let's just say I put Hamid's, and I'm gonna put one of my old email address. I'm all caps right now. Okay, select country. I am in the United States of America. America. Alright, come on, go all the way down to you. Oh, I think I went right past it. United States, so minor, no, United States, there we go. Yeah, we can create an account. Make it easier so we can come back. No, we don't want to create an account. That takes so long. These are all optional, I believe. Hold on, let me close this again one more time. Streaming platform, Twitch. Okay, streaming software, OBS, and my username. You know what it is. It's the Rock7373, baby. All right. Widget alerts for the it's definitely Streamlabs. Okay. And we double check everything, and boom, place order. And now we wait. Okay. So right here, it's gonna ask me to download. Okay. So you're gonna click download. All right. See, it's gonna pop up. Whatever folder you want to call it. I'm gonna call this Twitch panels, right? And it's on my desktop, so I'm gonna click save. Okay, boom. Now, next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna open up a tab. You're gonna go right into your Twitch. Okay, I don't know what your Twitch is, but just go to your Twitch. Mine is obviously twitch.tv/rock7373. feel free to come over, drop a follow, drop a sub, come hang out, you know? Okay, so I'm pulling on my Twitch right now. Now, understand this. On my Twitch, I already have panels, right? So I don't need to necessarily add it. But if you don't have panels, that's okay. All you're gonna do is go into the About Me section, right? So these are my personal panels that I already have. But in order to add panels, here's what you do. You go right here where it says Edit Panels, right? Now you're gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see this big plus sign. You're gonna click the plus. It's gonna ask you add a text or image panel. What you wanna do is add an image panel, right? So you're gonna click right here. It's gonna ask you to add image, right? But before we do any of that, we gotta find we gotta go to desktop. There it is, Twitch panels. Boom, 7 epic panels. Okay, and you get to choose what color options you want. Once again, I think I'm gonna go with the yellow, right? Okay, now there it is. Now this is the whole thing right here. If you want to see it a little bit bigger, I believe there is an option. Is it hold on, let me select. No, hold on. I'll just double tap it for now. Okay, that's what it looks like. There's usually like a preview window. I'm not sure what exactly to click, but there's a better preview window to click. Oh, there it is. There's this son of a bitch. There it is. See, I knew I wasn't bugging. I knew it was bugging. There's a better preview. It's supposed to load and make it a lot more clear, but there's a preview window and it shows it. But anyways, if you want to see what it looks like, you click you double click that, right? So this is where the folder is. This is where it's going to be. Now you go back to your Twitch, you click add image, click choose a drag file, and then you're gonna go through and look for ooh, it's not popping up. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. You see, now that I know which one I want, I'm gonna drag it to my desktop. Boom. Okay, so now let's see if it's on my desktop. See, there it is. It's right there on my desktop, the about one. And you're gonna click open. There it is. I'm gonna click done. And whatever you wanna write about yourself, okay? Listen, if you wanna write, my name is Bob, and I like soccer. Whatever information you want to you feel free to tell the world, tell them. See, one thing, here's the number one thing I learned. Okay, that's a damn lie. It's one of the few things that I learned. One of the top reasons why people come into your stream is because they like and trust you. It's not so much because of the game. It's not so much because of the gameplay. They can get that anywhere. It's because of you, right? So put something nice in the About Me section. Make it a little bit personal, but you know, not too personal, right? And then once you do that, you click submit, right? And it's gonna pop up. Now let's go take a look. The way how you're gonna see it, you're gonna close this, right? And then we're gonna scroll down. And there it is. About. My name is Bob and I like soccer, right? Now, I'm gonna show you something even cooler. I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth, right? So for example, let's just say you wanna link your social media towards it, right? So what you would do is this. Hold on, let me turn my music down a little bit. My apologies if that music was too loud the whole time. Okay, so let's just say we're gonna try something different, right? We're gonna go over here and let's say Facebook, right? Okay, you wanna put the Facebook one right there. Let's take a look at the Facebook. Facebook is this one, right? So let's just say you want people to you wanna put up a Facebook panel, and if they click it, it goes directly to your Facebook account, right? So once again, I'm gonna drag this to my desktop so the image comes out. And then I'm going to go back to my Twitch panel, click the plus, click to add image or panel, add image, click that, and there it is. The Facebook is right there. Boom. Click done. Right here where it says image links to, whatever your Facebook link is, you need to get the link and then you're going to paste it right here. So for example, my Facebook link is facebook.com/TheRock7373, right? What I'll do, I'll come up top, I'll copy that, close that, come back down here, press Control V, paste it, right? I don't need to put anything here because it's a clickable link, right? And then I'm gonna click submit. And boom, right? Just like that. So once again, let's go double check it. See, now I have it down here. So let's just say I want to click it. This is how you test it. If I click it, boom, it pops up another tab and it goes straight over to my Facebook account. Guys, it's that simple, right? That's how you do it. You add all of them. Now, once again, you have the option of customizing it yourself, right? So let's go right back to nerdordie.com. And those are just the pre-made. Again, if you don't like the pre-made ones, that's completely fine. You have the option of customizing it yourself, right? Or so the way to customize it, right? So right here, right down here where it says live view and download, this is the preview. This is how you edit it, right? So let's just say I want a donation one, right? So I put donation. You see how it changes over here? And let's just say I want to change the icon for the donation, right? So I believe I come over here, select open icon picker. Okay, what's money? What's donation? You want to look for, let's look around. Okay. Oh, PayPal. PayPal, that's the icon for money as well. So you can put that right there. Boom, donation. So see, here's the thing. You usually have two options for donated. You have credit card or you have PayPal. So because you put this link right there, boom. You also have the option of changing the size, the font size, the colors. If you don't like blue, you can. If you don't like this for the icon, you can always change it. If you don't like the text background, you can always change it. You have options, okay? Now, once you like whichever one you like it whatsoever, you can go to dark, you can go to light. You click Save Panel. I have a pop-up blocker. Ignore that. But whenever you click it, it says Save Panel. Okay, that's not supposed to pop up. What's that for? No idea what that's for. Come on, let's do this again. Okay. Why does that allow me to save? Guys, I swear I've done this before multiple times. Okay, you may also right click and save. Okay, see, there you go. So here's what we do. Best way to save it, just right click. See, this is good. This is good that we go through these issues, okay? So once again, we're gonna type donation. We're gonna switch our icon. Okay, usually I like to go for the money sign, but it doesn't look like they have a money sign right here. So we'll just go with the PayPal sign. Okay, also you have your option of doing your own custom icon. If you already have a PNG for the money sign, you can put it in there. Again, you have options, right? And then once I'm done, save image. I'm gonna call it donation. Save it to my desktop. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back over to my Twitch. I'm gonna go to where it says edit panels, right? I'm going to click the plus. Add image, choose a file, go over here, donation, boom, click done. And once again, if you know where your donation link is, you copy and paste your donation link, put it right there, right? Put it right here, then you click submit. Once you put your donation link there, you click submit, you go back over here, and boom. There it is, right? It will be clickable, and ta-da! There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. That's how you set up your Twitch battles. I was hoping it would be a lot shorter, but you know, I talk a lot, so Alright guys, hopefully that was very, very helpful. Guys, don't forget, if you like this video, if this was very, very helpful, like, subscribe, comment, alright? I'm here for you. Also, I stream Monday to Saturday, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I mostly do custom lobbies like 5 days a week, and the one other day a week I play with subs members all live out. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Let's go back to the big screen real quick. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a fantastic day. Cheers, guys.